Hi everyone, myself and Arun Kumar from SNS College of Technology in the Department of ECE. In this video, I am going to share about Karnaugh Map Minimization and its techniques. So these are all the slides we are going to see in this video. Introduction. A Karnaugh map is a graphical method used to simplify the Boolean expression by adjusting the min term or max term products. So here, the min term and max term products are aligned based on the tabulation technique. So the variable which will be used for this tabulation can be 3 or 4 variables, and most probably we are using up to 5 variables in this Karnaugh map technique. So here we are using 3 or 4 variables in this representation. It also used for reduce the number of logic gates and optimize the digital circuits, and it can be provide low power and space saving embedded design for the products. Steps in K-map. So initially the K-map can be done the following methods. First, create a truth table for a Boolean function because the diagram they may be given. So based on the diagram we can able to form the truth table. And next one is plot the number of ones or zeros in the K-map because we need to check whether it is a 3 variable or 4 variable or 5 variable K-map. Based on this we need to configure the number of the ones and zeros in the tabulation. And next one is adjacent cell in the power of 2. So the power has to be calculated because it is we need to check the 3 table or 4 variable K-map. We need to check by using the power of the adjacent value. And next one is simplified expressions has been done based on the variables. K-map layout. So initially the variable has been assigned, and after assigning the values and variables of the concerned table, and next one is cell alignment. The cell has been aligned based on the additional parameters like x. So the x is a don't care condition. Based on the don't care condition, we can mark it as a x for all the tables. So grouping in K-maps, the adjusting value has been grouped based on the number of rows and columns. Suppose if 1 is there means then the adjacent 1 will be marked and the final value will be marked based on the values of the A and B which will be marked as a tabulation. And next one is overlapping groups. Suppose if the values has been overlapped with one another, then eliminate the both the terms by combining with each other, and then we can eliminate the both the terms. And don't care condition. So here the x has been marked as a don't care, then we can able to present the x value based on the neighboring adjacent values. Three variable K-map analysis. So here we are going to discuss about the three variable by 8 columns so that we can able to check the concern value by applying the input variables. So they are given eight inputs, so 00 up to 111. They marked as a M0 to M7. The tabulation can be formed based on this three input variable. So x is one input variable and yz is another input variable. The output becomes M0 to M7. So the M0 to M7 has been marked in the tabulation like this. The first value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is a standard format for the 3 variable K-map so that it will be marked the output value in the respecting columns. So 4 variable K-map. So like the previous model, additionally one term has been included in the input signal so that it will be followed up to 16 variables. So 0 to 15 has been variable by marking this input signals. Let me see these variable can be marked in the next slide. So here the example they given about one value is 13711 including with don't care condition 0 to 5. So initially this value has been marked in this 4 variable K map. So it can be done by wx yz. It is an input variable. So based on this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like this we can able to mark it as a number. Then we can fix the value 1 3 7 11 15 as a 1 in the respective columns so that the value will be becomes for 1 it will be marked as a 0 1 0 1, and next for 3 0 1 2 3. So 3 will be marked 11. So like this all the values will be marked. Then the next value of the don't care has been marked 0 to 5 as a x. So here 0 1 2 3. So 2 value is marked as a x, and also the same will be represented for next value also 0 to 5 0 to 5. So the main concept of X is if the all the values has been matched or all the values are assigned in the same column, then the X value will be considered as a one number. After that, we can able to map it as all the numbers as a one column. So like this, the X can be represented for every tabulation application. It can be used for VLSI and IoT systems, especially for finite state machines. So we can able to configure more number of state variables in this finite state machine, so that we can have a lot of control able to by using this logic conditions assessments to optimize the street light control system using K-map. So it can be done based on the three way of technique. First one is A, B, C, three variables, and A is used for motion direction. If it is 1, yes, then the light will be glow, and then it is not, then 0. If it is an ambient light, the day will be glow is a 1, and if it is night, it will be off, so 0. Next one is manual override. If the user can be manually turn on the light, then it is on. If it is not, then it is a 0. So these conditions has to be done based on the above parameters. So it will be done by K-map technique, like three cross variables. So the variables and the technique will be used for this condition. When the light is night and the motion is directed, when the manual override is on. So these three considers the value of the one will be indicated as all the three variables A and B, C, so that the light will be glow, or other condition the light will be turn off. Thank you.